Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that has been making waves in the culinary world, the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO Plus. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine while still impressing your family and friends, you're in the right place. We found this multi-cooker online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO Plus? This innovative appliance is an 8.5-quart multi-cooker that combines 9 cooking functions into one versatile device. Imagine having the capability to slow cook, sear, sauté, bake, braise, proof, sous vide, steam, and even cook rice or pasta, all in one pot. This product truly replaces the need for 16 different cooking tools and appliances, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the PossibleCooker PRO Plus is its 1,400-watt power, which provides powerful high-temperature searing directly in the pot. This feature allows you to achieve that perfect golden brown crust on meats and vegetables without needing to transfer them to another pan. Additionally, the thermal surround technology ensures that the cooking surfaces heat evenly around your food, allowing for faster cooking times up to 30% quicker compared to a conventional oven when baking. The family-sized capacity of 8.5 quarts is another highlight. This is perfect for those who love to entertain or have a large family. You can easily prepare chili for up to 20 people or whip up 10 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs without the hassle of draining. It also has enough space for 30 sliders worth of pulled pork, making it an ideal choice for gatherings or meal prepping for the week ahead. Another convenience is the removable inner pot. This oven-safe ceramic pot can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for seamless transitions from the cooker to the oven and straight to your dining table. It not only looks good but also serves as a beautiful presentation piece for your home-cooked meals. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but with the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO Plus, that worry is minimized. The inner pot, lid, and included spoon are all dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Plus, the non-stick ceramic surface is designed without harmful chemicals such as PFAS, PTFEs, or PFOAs, ensuring that your cooking environment is safe and healthy. This appliance is suitable for a variety of cooks, from busy families looking to streamline weeknight dinners to avid entertainers who need a reliable tool for hosting large gatherings. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the PossibleCooker PRO Plus offers the versatility and functionality that can enhance your culinary experience. Practical use cases are endless with this multi-cooker. You can prepare a hearty beef stew on a cold day, bake a delicious lasagna, or even steam vegetables effortlessly. Think about the convenience of having a single appliance that can do it all, saving you time, space, and energy while delivering flavorful results every time. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-clean cooking solution, the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO Plus is definitely worth considering. It combines function and style, making it an essential tool for any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.